Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Friends, today we are discussing a very important subject, the voting system in the world. In a democracy, the way to take decisions are to have a voting system which can be by ballot or by show of hands. So the electorate, the collective who takes a decisions, there are two main methods. One is a simple majority. There is a technical term called FPTP, first past the post, like in the race. Or the second, which is very scientific and which reduces all kind of politics, the groupism, is called proportional representation, single transferable vote system. And 94 countries of the world are following this. More and more countries are debating. Many organizations are following this. So what happens in single transferable vote, STV? I will take a very simple example. Suppose there are 10,000 electoral electorate who are supposed to vote, and 4 candidates are to be elected. In a simple majority, each one would have had 4 votes, and those 4 who have received highest would have elected, have declared elected. In the single transferable vote, there are 10 votes to each voter, and they have a preferences which is written in Arabic numeral 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have a 10 votes and they must give 10 votes. I will tell you the magic and wonder of giving maximum preferences. In this system, there is something called quota to be found out to declare a candidate as elected. Now, take an example where 10,000 valid votes are casted, 4 seats are to be elected. Then the quota is 10,000 divided by 5, 4 plus 1. That comes to 2,000. And in the resultant figure, 1 is added. 2,001 is quota. So the candidates who get 2,001 or more are declared as elected. I take one simple example where, out of 10 candidates, say I take only 4 candidates to give an example. That candidate 1 highest is 3,001. Candidate 2 is 2,501. I am purposely taking one more to have a simplicity. And then we have a 1,801 and 1,601. Now suppose the candidate who gets 3,001, the quota is 2,001. So surplus votes are 1,000. Now in 3,001, only say 1,000 members have given second preferences. Then the value of those 1,000 votes will be 1, and they will be transferred in the remaining 9 candidates, but I am taking for simplicity 3 candidates. So the second candidate who has received, say, 2,501. Sorry, I had taken an example of 1,801, second candidate. So 200 vote will be, suppose all goes to that, then 200 votes. So 1,801 plus 200, 2,001, second candidate will be declared elected. Then the surplus votes will be 800. So say third candidate uses 1,701, and we are presuming that in this 1,000 votes, all preferences are given. Then the third preference, 1,701 plus 300 votes will be 2,001. And then there will be surplus 500 votes because second candidate used 200 votes, third candidate used 300 votes. So the fourth preference is 1501 plus 500 will make quota. The magic and wonder of single transferable vote is the members who are more alert and those who have used their judgment to give more preferences are decision makers and candidates. So this system is used, where there is a geographically different number of voters are there, and all other. This has been considered as the best system in many organizations, many countries. In India, this has been used for President of India, Vice President of India, and Rajya Sabha. So this system is a very effective system. Many countries who are not having this system, they are deliberating. So this is about the voting system, single transferable vote. So whenever there is a single transferable vote, the voter must give all preferences as the number of candidates or maximum preferences which one can give, and it does not take time to evaluate the candidates with the website and other system. Thank you for spending your time and listening to me on the voting system in the world and in the organizations.